Hey guys, this is Frosty 841. I thought you guys were going to do a video on the front turn signal, these here. This is what it looks like with it on. My wife's now going to go turn them off and I'm going to install these so you'll see what's going on. You can leave it running. Alright, on these, they have a notch right here. You can see the notch. You just take a little screwdriver, you stick it in it, and you twist it, and the front lens comes right off. Once the front lens comes off, I am wearing gloves because I want to use these bulbs again. You push, turn, and pull out, just like this was a regular bulb. Now, this is how simple and easy these are to install. Open the package, reach in, lay them out. This one is already opened because I did a video on it earlier. I like to wipe off because it's chrome. It's actually chrome, it's heavy. It's not lightweight stuff. So, and I showed you in detail the little notch on these and all that. So you take your screwdriver, place it in this slot that's in here, and you put it in just like it was. Okay, had a little issue with getting it in there the right way. Sometimes you got to just fiddle with these things to get them where they're going to go. I like to twist this a little bit so that I can get my wires in there and they'll go in the way I want them to go. Like I said, these are easy to install. They just push in and you got to get them where they go and hit them, and then turn it to where your bevel is up, and I like to wipe these off, keep them clean. It's a dielectric grease that's in there that keeps them functioning properly. Now, if you let me have the phone, honey. My wife's going to go turn it on and show you the difference. It's bright. It's just like a light. Now, if you hit the turn signal on this side, it changes to amber. Hit it again. When you turn the turn signal off, it goes back to like a running light. So when you get to the front of this, I have the two main lights. I have now an auxiliary light that's actually a turn signal, and I have my running lights that I put on down here. You can see the other side in contrast. It's dark and it's just amber. That's the end of this video, guys. My wife's going to edit it together for you. And this is Frosty 8415. I hope you enjoyed this. These are exceptional lights. They work great. And it's CIRO signal lights. You saw how easy it is to install. This is Frosty out.